Hello, welcome to today's little Lightroom tutorial for you. I'm going to be teaching you a little bit about this little tool right here. If you're in the Develop module, which is on your top right, make sure you have a Develop module. We're going to go down to the Crop tool, which is this square with the grid. Alright, so we're going to press that, and now you're going to see a new drop-down box right come under it. And now our image here has the grid overlay on our image. A couple things I wanted to show you simply today is how to easily crop and then how to straighten an image. So let's start with the crop. So we've got our crop tool highlighted here, and I'm going to just come up here and drag this corner, top left corner, it could be the top right corner, it could be the middle, any of these sides have the little boulder corners. And I'm going to just simply drag it. I'm wanting to get rid of that little bit of sky up there above the building because it's just totally distracting. And so I'm going to come down just that much. That's all I want to do, and I'm going to press close, and that's going to show me my final image. Now let's go back to that crop tool. It's highlighted again, have this drop down. Notice right here my little lock box on the right is locked, and I have as shot. If you do the drop down, you can do it in original, custom, and then you could also do any of these sizes given. I like to keep it as shot. It keeps my resolution where it needs to be, my dimensions in order. So as shot, and make sure you're locked. If you unlock it, you can do all kinds of wacky dimensions, and then your printing will be off and it will not be what you want. So let's go back to as shot and lock that. Okay, bring that down, and there we go. All right, next thing I want to show you, let's open that back up, is my angle slide bar here. This image has a lot of lines in it, as you can see the top of this building. I'm not so much worried about this black line going through here, as that's probably a power line. But in this urban area, we have a lot of lines. My doors are lines, my sidewalk here is lines, the building has lines. And this is my pet peeve when my lines are not straight. So I'm going to simply take, and this image isn't bad, okay? There's a lot worse images out there. But I'm going to just simply take this angle slide bar. I'm going to show you drastically. If I do it drastically, it can completely change my angle either to the left or to the right, okay? Let's just reset that, bring that crop back down. And then now our angle. What I'm looking at is this bottom line. To me, that's my strongest line. I want to just straighten it up just a little bit. So I'm going to drag it to my left to get that straight. Hit the close button, and now it's a little bit straighter. If this top line still bothers you, all you have to do is simply crop it out. We have enough dead space in this whole image. I can crop it out. Now, let's go back to that angle slide bar. Let's say I just want to just tap it a little bit, and my mouse, I'm not having enough control. If you'll put your arrow, your mouse arrow on top of that teardrop and just simply press your arrows on your keyboard up, see how it's just toggling it just a little bit for me? All right, it's changing it. Or I can go down and press it down and just get a very minor adjustment. So on that slide bar, if you want a very minor adjustment, simply just put your mouse arrow on this teardrop and use your keyboard arrows either going up or going down. Okay? So simply put, we have straight lines using the crop tool, and I can also crop out anything else I don't want in my image, which, go back to, it happened to be just this top little bit of sky that I wanted out of there. That was my original. Okay, I hope that helps you all, and then I hope that you'll get digging into Lightroom and help it ease your workflow. Have a wonderful day.